Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate ConvertBox with ThriveCart in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. Log into your ThriveCart account and select Get URL on your product. Copy the first bit of ThriveCart URL, e.g. yourid.thrivecart.com. Step 2. Log into your ConvertBox account and create a new site using part of the ThriveCart URL above which you have just copied. Head back to the ConvertBox dashboard and select your new site from the Site drop-down menu. Step 3. In most cases, you will only want the ConvertBox to show on a specific checkout page. As all checkout pages in ThriveCart have a unique page URL, we will need to set this in the display rules. To do this, edit your ConvertBox. In the editor, go to the Display tab and under the section Location select Edit. This will open the location modal where you can set exactly where you want the ConvertBox to show. On the Include tab, add a rule for this exact URL and then paste in your checkout page URL. Now select Done and make sure to save your changes in the editor. Step 4. For ConvertBox to work on your checkout page, we will need to install the ConvertBox script, same as with any regular website. Copy your ConvertBox embed code. Log back into your ThriveCart account and on your chosen product go to Edit, Checkout Tracking. Tick the box for custom tracking code and then paste your ConvertBox embed code into the field for only on your checkout page, then click Save and Get URL.